So that includes 7 magnificent Christmas trees. Now the decorations on these are real team efforts, because they're first designed by the art department, then made by the props team, placed on those trees by the set decorators, and even the special effects team gets involved, adding those spinning witches you see at the top of the trees. Little blue activity books, little passport, there are 7 rooms. Also in those books, 15 golden snitches, right? Going behind the scenes of the most magical film series in the world. Thanks everyone.
Very cool.
Right, so you can see he's blinking his eye, and I also have a couple buttons here so that you can hear his sound.
You're a wizard, Harry.
¿Le voy sujetando al otro?